How you doing, folks? Papa Joe here. Tuesday morning. Oh, another successful live stream last night. Those seem to be going over pretty good. Okay. I do enjoy it. I'll admit that. Give me a little interaction with y'all. Give me a chance to see what's on your mind or what you want to talk about or what you want answered. Needless to say, I ain't the know-all guru, but I'll make up an opinion if I have to. What do you think? Timothy over in Italy. Yeah, me and Grandma and my boy Little Joe would love to have some authentic Italian recipes. Grandma would like to have some without all the pastas in it. I know Little Joe would, speaking of Grandma, let me put you on pause a minute. But I know Little Joe would like some with the pasta in it. So let me talk to Grandma a minute, let her get her morning flirt done with me. I'll be back with y'all. I'm back. Sure do love that old spoiled woman. Yeah, we feed critters around our house. We love nature, that's why we live in the country. We got a corn feeder out for the squirrels. We have hummingbird feeders. We got bird feeders. I plan on putting in a salt and mineral lick as soon as I figure out a good place for them because we're so wet. I don't want them just saturated. Well, we also have a hawk that came in last year. And I'll tell you now, he cleaned house on our squirrels. And Grandma's not liking that at all. So she's been trying to think of a way to get rid of that hawk and not run everything else off. You know, we thought about the stuffed owls and all this stuff. And I'm like, they're going to run off your hummingbirds. So she said the other day, she said, I wish I had a slingshot. I started teasing her about a slingshot. And she's like, I used to be pretty damn good in my youth. I'm here at one of the casino travel plazas that they happen to have a slingshot. So I got her a slingshot and a little bag of round wooden marbles. So I took a picture. I told her, I said, well, I got something for you this morning. So I took a picture and sent it to her. Boys and girls, when your wife gets excited about getting a cheap old wooden slingshot, you're doing good. And she's already talking about practicing. So I was telling her these little wooden balls that I got her, they're not going to be nothing to get any distance or too light. She says, I know where there's some rocks. So, but anyway, I was telling her, Timothy, about you was talking to her. She don't go in and read a bunch of the comments and watch my videos and stuff. She lives it, so she don't need to watch the videos. Her first question was, are there any Italian meals without pasta? She said, I guess if there is, they substitute it with squash or zucchini or something. But yeah, she would be interested in some recipes without all the pasta. And as I was saying, Little Joe's got them poor little monkeys to feed. So he probably wouldn't care if they got pasta in them. Actually, he'd been looking up a few of them. Not necessarily Italian, but he got one. Looked quite interesting. They took one of them big old pasta shells and pre-cooked it a little bit there, I guess, and then put the meat inside of it, and then scattered cheese on it and baked it. He did another one, a whole lot the same with taters. So, but those are dishes I don't do in the crock pot. I haven't done them, but a couple of them sure did look interesting. So, oh, I was just telling Grandma that I'm getting a hunger built up for a stew. Well, we told her we'd probably do a stew this weekend. Of course, she'll have to be careful. Hey, with her diet, she won't eat all my damn taters. So I'll put a little extra celery and carrots in there for her rabbit food. I like this idea. Oh, goodness. American Nomad had asked. He said he had never went over on his logbook and what happened, and I gave him a message. But, you know, it gets documented electronically. He was asking if it automatically goes to DOT and stuff. No, it don't. It stays in-house. Now, I don't know how the audits will work whenever they come in to audit these ELDs. But yeah, it is a permanent violation on your ELDs. With our company, like the 3 minutes last night, nothing will even be said. Our safety guy says that if it's only a few minutes like that, that just means that you're trying to find parking and something happened. That's cool. But now if you're 8, 10, 15 minutes, that's a whole different ballgame. And over here you'll get rolled up for those. You go in and sign a little piece of paper, get your slap on your hand, and you go on. I'm quite certain that there are some companies out there that will want to fire you after a certain amount and all that. I don't see that happening here. Boy, somebody reaping that sounds terrible. Can y'all hear that? That don't sound good. But now whenever you come in and get audited, back in the day on paper logs, they would come in and they'd say, I want the logs for this person, and this person, you know, and whatever. And then they'd just go through your logs. With this modern electronic stuff, I don't know how they are going to do it. And they might have a way to come in and just hit some damn button and show everybody's violations. I don't know. So it is what it is. So, but yeah, over here it's not a big deal. You need to find out with your company what's up. And sooner or later you will get one. I mean, we all will. It's man versus machine. Sooner or later the machine has got to win. I mean, every time that it's gotten me has been where I have a choice of stopping an hour or so early or risking it. So, but I don't get them very often. But when I do, it's usually 1 or 2 minutes. So, actually that wasn't a reaper, it just, the squalling just stopped. That's a truck that they've got it on high idle. Probably trying to build up air real quick. Well, start it sooner. I'm 10 miles away from the receiver. I'm fixing to release the brakes and go on over there. See about getting the day started. I'll be going in a little bit early, but I'm good with that. They either can't get off early or they don't. If I wait too damn late, that'll be putting me running till 11 o'clock tonight type deal, and I don't want to do that. That's my biggest challenge with these electronic logs, is trying to keep it where I can shut down earlier in the day. I like to shut down between 8 and 10 o'clock, as y'all know. That's why I tell you I try to do the live streams. Live stream last night, caught y'all flat-footed again. And oh no, there was well over a dozen people. At one point there was almost 20 that stopped by, and I'd asked if y'all was liking it. All of them said yeah. So I asked all of y'all as a group, are y'all liking the live stream? Even if you're not catching it when it happens, is it a better view for watching it as videos? And Grandma was just teasing me when I told her I did almost an hour last night. She's like, what are you doing, every night? I said, well, no, I didn't do one Saturday night. So like I told her, I said, well, I said they're responding well to it. It's giving me a little interchange with them. So, you know, it is what it is. So, what the heck? Let's see. Let me back up and check out a couple comments. I still got a couple minutes to kill. And comments. And eyeballs. Let's see. My old machine gun statement guy here, Timothy. Look at all them wonderful fans. Nice, nice. I'm happy for you, Papa Joe. It is cool. I totally agree. Y'all are wonderful fans, and I do like the interchange. I like the interaction, however you want to say it. He said he's here, but a bit late. Well, yeah, look where you live. There was a nomad asking about the logs. Let's see. DW, I like French fried taters. Yes, sir. I like my fried taters. Let's see. Everyone, he said he talked to Sam Walton. He's talking about eyeball to eyeball. And basically, he said that you could park at any of his facilities. And back in the day, that was true. Truck drivers have ruined that. It's not like that. Trucker Bob, which had came in the other morning, and I'd asked him if that was Goat Bob, and he said, yep, that's me. And Mark, he's hollering, I done got a couple past him, or I'd got one past him. I got 2 or 3 past you now, buddy. Let's see. And Mark also had made the comment, if I had $20,000 to buy a tractor, I wouldn't buy something that get used 4 times a year. Well, and that's mine and Grandma's thoughts. It would get used a little bit more than that, but we still can't justify it, not with our little place. And for $20,000, I can rent one for a long ass time. Let's see, 20 hours ago, and Tim's asking how my day's going. Well, it was kind of rough yesterday. I even stopped and got a nap. Stone saying he wished he could have stayed live the other night. Well, anyway, I like the way y'all are interacting during the live streams and afterwards. I would like to suggest that some of y'all go in and read the comments after the videos. There's a few decent comments in there. For you that are trying to learn about trucking, that is one of your best things to do, is go through my trucking library, and they call it a playlist, and watch the video and read some of the comments. And you can learn from experienced drivers' experience. You can also find where some other new drivers have posted questions, and you can read their comments on it, or read my comments on whatever they're asking. So the video and the comments are up here for your use. I would suggest that use it to the fullest. I mean, you know, that's what it's there for, to help you learn. It seems to me that a lot of the new subscribers are only watching the new videos that are trying to learn about trucking. Go into the playlist, Want to Be a Trucker, and there's, I don't know, a couple hundred videos up. I don't know. I know there's a whole bunch of them. So it is what it is. And you get the honest truth about it, the good and the bad. Good, bad, and ugly. So, with that, my dear friends, I am going to call it, well, shit, I can't call it a day. It's too early. I'm going to call it a 10-hour break. I mean, how long have I been up? About 11 hours? 10 hours and 33 minutes. So, yeah, I'm going to roll in over here and see if they'll kick this stuff off a little bit early for me. With that, remember, He loves us more than we'll ever know. He loves us. I love y'all too. Appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all have a good day. Bye.